What's up guys, it's me Jimmy here, the Viltrox 85mm Mark II for the Fujifilm X-F10. So the 85mm will be around, let me see, 120 85 times 1.5. It will be 127.5mm in the full frame. So let me just open it. Okay, here we go. By the way, if you buy in the shop in Hong Kong, they will definitely break the seal. Okay, here I go, here I go, here I go. And here we go. I know you're liking it. I know you're loving it. The good thing is that it comes with a pouch, which I'm really liking it. I really adore this beautiful looking pouch. And here's the lens. Okay, it comes with some kind of manual. This is a warranty card. Again, this is the official Viltrox lens. They did not send me. I bought it from my own money. I'll be doing some in-depth review. Okay, let me put inside. And here is the Viltrox. The filter size is 72mm. And this is the reversible lens hood. I'm sorry for the phone. Everyone have to call me when I'm making a video. Okay, the lens is quite nice, but this 72mm is very big. When I say big, it's really very big. I mean, it's really very big. So good thing is that again, this is collapsible. Make sure to subscribe to my outing journal channel, where I will be doing a lot of review of this lens. I will be doing physical, like I will shooting portrait of my wife maybe. Okay, how to align this one. With the Viltrox 85mm F1.8 using the IBIS and then the digital stabilization with 1.1 stroke. So this is around 127mm in the full frame equivalent. This is the Viltrox video 4K with the IBIS and EIS. So this is the video and the onboard microphone of the Fujifilm X-F10. So can you move around? This is handle. So this is the Viltrox 85mm F1.8. You need to be the judge how good is the autofocus. I'm using the standard film simulation, the Provia, and then how good is the autofocus and how good is the shadow depth of field behind me. Let me just move around. Viltrox 85mm F1.8 version 2. How good is the autofocus? I'm trying to close come to the camera. How close the camera can focus on me. Viltrox 85mm F1.8. You need to be the judge how good is the autofocus. Yes, you need to better judge how good is the autofocus of Viltrox 85mm F1.8. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.